You want your study space to be like this, but it looks like this. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I am gonna spill some tips and tricks for a productive and aesthetic study space. Let's get started. Tip number 5 and 7 is my fave, so make sure to stay tuned. Creating a productive and aesthetic study space can greatly enhance your focus, motivation, and overall learning experience. Here are some tips and tricks to help you design an inspiring study environment. Number 1. Choose the right location. Select a quiet area with minimal distractions, such as a corner of your room or a dedicated study room. Ensure good lighting, either natural light or a well-lit space with adjustable artificial lighting. Number 2. Declutter and organize. Keep your study area clutter-free by organizing books, stationery, and materials in shelves, drawers, or storage bins. Use desk organizers such as trays, pen holders, and folders to keep essential items within reach and neatly arranged. Number 3. Comfortable and ergonomic furniture. Invest in a comfortable chair with good back support to maintain proper posture and reduce strain during long study sessions. Choose a desk that is spacious enough for your study materials like books, laptop, and notebooks. Number 4. Inspirational decor. Decorate your study space with motivational quotes, posters related to your field of study, or artwork that inspires you. Incorporate plants or succulents to add a touch of nature and improve air quality. Number 5. Color scheme. Choose calming and conducive colors for walls, furniture, and decor. Soft blues, greens, or neutrals can create a relaxing atmosphere. Use color-coded folders, binders, or sticky notes to organize study materials by subject or priority. Number 6. Personalization. Add personal touches such as photos, artworks, or mementos that bring you joy and positivity. Customize your digital workspace with wallpapers or themes that resonate with your style and preferences. Number 7. Tech organization. Keep cables and wires tidy using cable organizers or clips to avoid clutter and potential hazards. Use digital tools like productivity apps, calendars, and task managers to stay organized and focused on your study goals. Number 8. Comfort enhancements. Consider adding elements like a cozy rug, throw pillows, or a small reading lamp to create a comfortable and inviting study environment. Use noise-canceling headphones or play ambient music to block out distractions and create a conducive atmosphere for concentration. Number 9. Functional layout. Arrange your desk layout to optimize workflow and accessibility to frequently used items. Have a designated space for writing, reading, and using your computer to promote efficiency and productivity. Number 10. Regular maintenance. Schedule regular cleaning sessions to keep your study space tidy and organized. Reevaluate and adjust your setup periodically to meet changing study needs and preferences. By incorporating these tips and tricks, you can create a productive and aesthetically pleasing study space that supports your learning and academic success. Customize your environment to reflect your personality and preferences, making studying a more enjoyable and rewarding experience.